today I will demonstrate to you and show you how to make tomato rice in a rice cooker. So in a rice cooker I have put half an onion, a little bit of oil and some garam masala, okay? And now I'm waiting for it to get brown, and in the meantime I've chopped around one tomato, right? Now my onion is brown enough and I will soon add the tomato. Okay, tomato is getting ready, and there you go. The beautiful tomato will get in here. Perfect. Voila. Now you can add 1 to 2 tomatoes, depends on your taste. All right. So after a while, you add some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, and salt to taste. Okay. Time to add your 2 cups of rice and stir it well around. Remember, 2 cups of rice. That means you need to add 4 cups of water, right? So after adding your 4 cups of water, give it a good stir, right? Make sure you have the switch to cook position, and it's time now for you to shut the lid and stay calm. It will cook all by itself. Very soon the lovely tomato rice will be ready for you. So remember, you can add a little bit of peas if you like. Okay, add some lovely green peas, which will give you some extra flavor. Okay, we'll shut it down and wait for it to cook by itself. Okay, voila. After 25 minutes, I have this beautiful tomato rice ready to be served. Delicious, tasty, lot of flavor. Okay, beautiful. Thank you for watching this easy method, right? So the lovely, tasty tomato rice is ready for you. Enjoy.